In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to fix error code 279 when playing Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is verify that Roblox is working. To do this, go into your browser and type in status.roblox.com. And as you can see, it's in green, so it's all operational and it's all working. It's got nothing to do with the Roblox servers. The next thing you can check is your router is working, so you can reset it if you turn it off for 30 seconds and then turn it back on. And then I also suggest having a wired connection to your router. So the next thing we're going to do is make sure that our Windows firewall isn't stopping us from playing Roblox. So to do this, you need to go to your start menu and search for Windows security. So it's just this one here, so we'll click on that. And now what we want to do is expand this menu up here and click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now you want to click on Private Network and you want to toggle Windows Defender Firewall off. Now you want to test Roblox. If it's still not working, you want to turn your firewall back on and then press back. Go to Allow an app through firewall. Make sure you press Change Settings. And now you need to search for Roblox. So it's probably not going to be in here. So what we're going to do is go to Allow another app. And now go to our Start menu and type in Roblox. We're going to right click on Roblox Player and press Open File Location. Now do the same thing again. Right click on Roblox Player and press Open File Location. So we need to copy the folder address up at the top here, so we'll copy that. Now click on Browse, and we're going to paste that address in the top up here. So now we'll press Go, and then we can press Open. So now you've done that, just press Add, and now you can press OK, and now you can open Roblox again and see if it works. If you have an ad blocker enabled, you'll need to disable it, and any sort of VPN, you'll also need to turn that off. So the next thing we can do is clear our cache, so we can press the Windows key and R and then type in %temp % and just press OK. Now we just want to press the three dots up here and press select all. And now what you want to do is just put this in the bin. So we can do the same for our Chrome browser, so open up Chrome, go to the three dots and then go to delete browsing data. So here we can select what we actually want to delete. I suggest deleting the cached images and files and the cookies, and you can actually select your time frame as well. So once you've done that, just press delete data. So if it's still not working, we need to flush our DNS. To do this, go into your start menu, go on command prompt and then right click it and press run as administrator. So now you'll need to type these commands in. I'll leave them in the description down below. You need to press enter after each command. I'm not going to show the whole thing because it shows my IP address. So if you have any issues on your Mac, it's the same sort of process, but I'll show you how to flush your DNS. Open up Spotlight Search and type in terminal. Now copy and paste this in. I'll leave it in the description down below. Press enter, and now what you need to do is type your password in, press enter again, and it's flushed. Thank you for watching the video. Let me know down in the comments below if you found this helpful.